So here's a run through of the ending. She's going to give you step by step. Go ahead.
So it's with the steps, the last one we provided. So we're going to go open, you're going to close, and you're going to twist, open, you're going to look, twist again.
Look what way?
Open. You're going to continuously go to your right until you're here. Then you look again, then you close, then you open, look again, you close, and you end here with your skirt together.
Okay.
Okay? And then we're going to come full circle, dip, full circle. Okay? And yeah.
Okay.
And then we'll just fix it in.
So first you turn to the right. You look to the right. Well, you're turning to the right first.
You're going to open, close, open.
Which way do you turn?
Look. So you're turning to your right. So open, close, open, look to your right, close, open, look to your left, close, open, look to your left, close, and you finish.
And then you dip.
And then you circle, dip, circle.
Okay. All right. Now can you do that in full throttle?
I think so.
Okay.
Like,